like it.
It's your boy Major. It's your girl Claudia. It's your girl Serenity.
Shaniqua.
It's your girl Sage.
Sage and Saint back there.
Steve, what's going on?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on post notifications so that y'all locked in with us forever.
And ever and ever.
So today is Thursday, and we chilling. About to go run a few errands.
In the rain.
It's not raining.
It's bad weather.
Well, we running a few errands in the bad weather, so Shep says.
It is bad weather.
But I need to go here. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna bring y'all along with us. First stop, we're going by the dentist. Second stop is Target. Yeah. So we'll see y'all when we get to Target.
Peace.
So y'all, we made it to Target.
Let's get down.
You're not getting down. I think y'all gotta have a clear book bag.
Huh?
Clear book bag. We gotta wait and see. That's the same thing I said, and you just spent $100 and some on that book bag. Yeah.
Bro, what?
You said the book bag's right there.
Wait, them razors high as hell.
You heard me?
Huh?
They said the book bag's right there.
Who all got, don't have book bags?
But I thought you said it said
You
clear book
got
bag.
book bag. Okay.
I thought you said clear book bag.
I thought it said that too. It do say that.
We gotta wait and see. Where you gonna find a clear book bag at now?
They used to sell it.
So me and Sage are sneaking out of Target. I just told her we're gonna go with her daddy. So he drove, and I'm about to move the car, and so he ain't gonna know where we moved it at. We're gonna make him think somebody stole his truck. How you think that's gonna go, Sage?
It's gonna go good, cause he always go crazy about his truck.
Yeah, I'm about to move the truck right now. I brought my spare key. He don't even know. Hop in, Sage. He don't even know I'm about to move this truck. I told him we was going to the bathroom. We'll be back. I told him to get Major some t-shirts and tank tops for back to school. So I'm about to
Move it somewhere far.
I am finna move way back here.
No, move it all the way down there.
No, I'm moving all the way back here.
Like, he's gonna know.
He gonna be flaming. I'm moving over there with that green truck. We gotta hurry up and go back inside. He's the bathroom.
Yeah, cause
I'm moving right here. He can't see it right here next to this green truck.
yeah, he's not gonna see it.
I'm gonna go up.
I'm gonna be like, somebody else came here.
No, you're not gonna say nothing. See, you gonna throw it out.
I'm gonna be like, we just went to the bathroom.
So y'all, I done moved the truck. I moved the truck, y'all. Truck way over there.
Yeah.
We gotta hurry up.
Yeah, we gotta hurry up.
Shep gonna be blamed about his truck.
Yeah, he go.
He gonna curse us out so bad.
Yeah.
He probably know I'm up to something. Cause why would I say I'm going to the bathroom?
No, cause he know you always gotta go to the bathroom, Dad. You always
So
gotta.
wait, we're gonna be back when we get inside the stuff. Sage trying to blackmail me. She said, "Can I get a candy if I don't tell?" The nerve of her. I should have left her.
No.
Yeah, I should have left her ass. So you guys, we are back in Target. This is Miss Blackmail. We're going back where the daddy at.
You think that was someone else?
No. Alright, y'all. You guys, so we are about to leave Target, I guess. You done?
Just say you want to go to Walmart.
I mean,
Say it. Just
I
say
don't
it.
just.
Just
We can go to Walmart.
say it. Okay.
We can go to Walmart.
Damn. Peer pressure, motherfucker.
Y'all want to go to Walmart?
Yes. Yeah.
Y'all like Walmart?
Yeah.
Y'all ain't really getting what I'm talking
Broke asses. Sam, what you got?
So I think there's one.
Y'all, we leaving Target. They don't do like Walmart. They don't ask for receipts. That's why I like it here. They high as hell. But I like it here. We're leaving Target, y'all.
What part of it?
Right here by this tree. Yeah, so we leaving Target. We about to go to Walmart next. So yeah.
Ain't it? That is not my truck. Tell me that.
Where's the chocolate? We didn't park over there.
Hey, what the fuck part of my truck?
Over here.
How you don't know where you parked at? We parked right by this tree stump thing.
It's three the same trucks. Cause it's that one and the one over there is the one that is his. It's just it.
You be thinking that shit funny, bro.
It's right there.
I'm trying to.
It's right there.
Bro, you know what? Your dumb ass talking about some bathroom. I got your ass.
It's right there.
That ain't my truck.
That is your truck.
No, fuck that's not.
You can.
Definitely not. Wait, listen. I'm not gonna go looking for no fucking truck. I'm telling you now, I'm not. So if you tell me where, I'm not gonna look for no truck.
It's right there.
That is not my truck.
It's right there. Wait.
Man, y'all retarded as hell, man. Y'all don't sit here and let y'all mama do that dumb ass shit. You don't even use no bathroom in public. I should have known that shit.
Right by this thing right here.
Oh my god.
We was parked right here. We parked right here by this thing.
No, we parked like.
Yeah. Sage was with me.
I don't care.
What?
That's like you.
Yeah, cause
Me
Sage
too.
already blackmailed me. Sage say if you buy me a candy, I won't say nothing. So that's why I had to get everybody a candy. Cause this, Miss Blackmail. You what?
We're gonna get you back.
Y'all can't mess with me.
Yeah, y'all can't mess with us. Okay.
One thing about it.
Let's see your wig still.
Hope your ass ready.
What?
Let's
Hope
see.
your ass ready.
You
Cause it's on now. I was trying to be lean.
I started to park on the side of this truck right here.
Listen, I was trying to be lean and not return no not return that action. But it's on now.
Let's see your wig still today.
Really?
It's on. We gonna see your wig still.
Your ass too.
No.
Yeah, you a part of it.
Mommy and say y'all better
Can
go
y'all
watch
wait?
you tonight.
Get in the truck. Get in the truck.
I ain't let y'all come because when you involve too many people, it don't go right.
Yeah, I know.
This girl literally blackmailed me and said, If you buy me a candy, I ain't gonna say nothing.
It's all right. It's fine.
That's what she said to me. Shut up. What kind of children you got? If I buy her candy, she ain't gonna tell me.
Get your shit out the way. You not saying that.
But you see how crazy that is?
You gonna have a good night tonight.
It's the kids threatening me.
No, y'all ain't gotta worry about nothing. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Sage,
What?
you done messed up, baby girl. You went against the grain. Your mama already doghouse, so I don't want to hear nothing. So hope you ready, Grandma.
Y'all.
I
We
tried.
Target.
I tried my best to be lenient with you.
Try not to go to sleep tonight.
Oh, the son threatening me too.
Yep. You too, Say.
That's crazy.
You too. And you gotta sleep in your own room. Yeah.
Team Mommy in the comments.
And Team Sage in the comments.
Yeah. All right, y'all. So we leaving Target.
Sage, I kind of feel bad. You overplayed it.
I open it.
Yeah.
I gotta go to the bathroom. Oh, I gotta go to the
No,
bathroom.
I really had to use the bathroom.
Nah,
I did for real.
I understand.
I really had to use the bathroom.
Yeah, she did.
She didn't even have to go to the bathroom. I got in there. She took him out. You could go ahead. I don't have to go.
I hope you have a good night too, Sage. No, good night.
Back down.
Don't even know what the truck look like.
They talking about a whole Suburban.
Crazy.
I'm steady telling y'all, that is not my truck.
Listen.
It's all good. Look at traffic going home. It's all good though. Y'all just be ready.
Who's y'all?
I'm talking to the fans. I'm talking to the Shep fam.
It's a lot more over there, ain't it?
I'm going to the one, MD.
Y'all, tell me if you like Team Mommy and Team Sage, or Team Daddy and Team Brandy and Team Kanaria and Team Maiden. Which one do you like?
It's
Team
four.
Mommy and Sage.
Listen, it's 4. Actually, you know what? Let me go and put Saint with us. 5 against 2. Let's be ready.
Saint, you want Mama or Daddy?
Team Mommy and Sage.